Welcome to the Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen. My name is Rivky Kleiman and I will be your guest chef today doing a winner of a dinner, my Garlic-Mayo Skirt Steak dinner, using Prairie Street's skirt steak. For this dinner, we're gonna have a complete dinner ready on one sheet pan. We're going to start off with our Prairie Street skirt steaks that have already been soaked for 10 minutes in water. It's extremely important for you to soak your meat because in the koshering process of any meat, it gets salted. But in particular, this cut of meat is extraordinarily salted. So we let it sit in water for 10 minutes, drain it, and then dry it so that it'll be ripe and ready to take on any flavors that we're going to add to it. Our potatoes were parboiled inside, as well as the broccoli. I let my potatoes boil for 10 to 20 minutes, just to make sure that the interior will be completely cooked through once we put it into the oven or right now on our grill. With the broccoli, if you're working with frozen broccoli, I like to throw it into boiling water that's salted for about 1 minute just to brighten it up, get it ready for the flavor, and the same with fresh. The first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the potatoes, the broccoli, and my skirt steak. I'm actually using my Demaricash from Atlas, which is premium. Just give a little drizzle. And you're gonna notice I'm always changing my gloves. Anyone who knows me knows I probably support all these glove companies. We don't want to do any cross-contamination here. So I'm just drizzling it with a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm going to follow up with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of black pepper. Once we're done, we're going to hit it on a grill that's fired up. And we're going to make sure that we get it to an internal temperature of 125. I would say it takes about 1 minute each side. Skirt steak is not a very, very thick meat. Did you hear that music? We're gonna let each side go for about a minute before I turn it over, and then we're gonna transfer it to the sheet pan. Gonna flip everything over. We've got some really beautiful grill marks here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to put my meat straight down the center. Ooh, nice. Look at this meat, it is so juicy. Gonna straighten it out. At this point, we're gonna prep for our complete sheet cake. I have my prepared, oiled, salted and peppered broccoli, my potatoes that were parboiled. Let's get them over here. A little bit of fresh herbs. And now we're gonna give everything a very quick brush with some garlic mayo. Very simple, 5 ingredients: mayonnaise, vinegar, crushed garlic, salt, pepper, and a little bit of hot sauce. Here we go. We're gonna give this 5 minutes in our Napoleon grill, and then our winner of our dinner is ready to be enjoyed by all. 5 minutes have passed. We've lowered the grill from high to medium. And there you have it, Garlic-Mayo Skirt Steak dinner perfection with Prairie Street Co.'s skirt steak. Who's ready to dig in with me? That was positively delicious. Thanks for joining us at the Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen. My name is Rivky Kleiman. It's been an honor cooking with you here today. Hope to see you again every Sunday at 2 o'clock when we drop our new videos. Hope you enjoyed. See you then.